In the quiet of a gentle breeze, where love whispers through the trees, we stand together, hand in hand, embarking on life's wondrous strand. Through fields of flowers we will roam, creating memories, building our home. With every heartbeat, our love will grow like rivers that endlessly flow. In your eyes, I see the stars at night, guiding me with their tender light. Your laughter, a melody so sweet, makes my world complete. Today, beneath the azure sky, we vow to never say goodbye through joy and sorrow, side by side, together. Our hearts forever tied in this journey. As husband and wife, we shall embrace each moment, cherish life with each sunrise, a new chapter we shall start, hand in hand, forever in our heart. So here's to love, so pure and true, a bond between me and you. May our love shine bright like the sun above, forever entwined in this journey of love. As we stand here amid cheese and delight, let's dance together under the starry night. For today marks the beginning, our love's grandest story, a promise of forever in all its glory. So here's to us and the love we share, a lifetime of moments beyond compare. Today and always, we shall be my guide, my love, my partner, my cherished bride, by my side, cherished to love for, to dreams come true, to the future together, me and you, in this dance of life, hand in hand, we shall away, forever and always, our love will stay.